What's going on, everybody? BZ Rider here with another video.
The bloopers.
What's going on, guys? BZ Rider here with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure that you do subscribe as I post weekly content related to Z's, bikes, and everything in between. In today's video, we're going to be installing a new rear diffuser onto the rear of the 350Z. We'll just go ahead and get started into this. I'll put the camera up on the tripod and show you guys what I got. Alright guys, so with this diffuser, it's going to be pretty much the same setup as how I did with the front lip. This is a polyurethane diffuser. I ordered it off of eBay. I'll leave a link down in the description. I'll be doing the same thing as like I did with the front lip. If you haven't checked that video out, please make sure that you do check that out as well. Go ahead and get into the prep work of wiping this down with some acetone just to clear off all the oil of it, to make sure that the surface is good enough to be able to stick to the car. Also, after I get that wiped down, then I'll go over to the Z, wipe down the rear bumper of it with some alcohol just to clear off everything that's on the rear of it, and then get the car up in the air. Stick around, guys, and we'll get right into that. Okay guys, so I have the surface of the diffusers prepped and wiped down. It did come with some 3M tape, but I do have my own that I would trust more versus what came with it. Just my own personal preference, because I'm not trying to be driving down the highway and this thing flies off on me. Also, this did come with some hardware. That's going to be nice there, where I can actually bolt this into the bolt holes that's on there that secures it to the bumper itself. So I'm going to actually add in some more screws as well, just to give it some extra reinforcement and stabilization. What I want to do right now is go out to the car, give it an actual test fit just to mark the holes of where I'll be drilling at, make sure that everything looks good and I'm satisfied with it, and then we'll get to putting the 3M tape onto the diffuser and drilling the holes into the bumper. So as you can see, it's on here. It'll hold up a little bit better if I had dual exhaust, but I've only got the single exit ISR. Make sure you check out that video as well. Underneath the car, I don't know if you can see that, but there are bolt holes where you can feel like, to get a good test fit, I'm gonna have to drop the exhaust down just to be able to get this on here smoother and line everything up. Then I'll pre-drill these holes. That's as far down as it goes. No. Bruh. After getting the exhaust down, I just did another test fit of the diffuser. Then I was able to mark out the holes where they'll be at. So now I'm about to get ready to drill those holes out for the screws that came with this kit. After drilling those out, then we'll get the 3M tape on the diffuser and get that all onto the car. Okay, now that we have the bumper all cleaned up and pre-drilled, we can go ahead and start wiping down the diffuser one more time just to get off any oils from the test fit. Then we can start laying the 3M tape onto here, and then finally installing this onto the car. Let's put this on the tripod and get ready to start putting this 3M tape on. Alright, now let's go ahead and install this. Okay, so here underneath the car, I'm going to pre-drill a hole right through here so that way I can get a self-tapping screw through there. I got some stainless self-tapping screws, just that way it gives it a little bit more bite and security. Alright, and there's the self-tapper installed on here. Okay guys, so now we have the rear diffuser installed on the Z. First of all, I want to shout out to my bro, Nismo Ninja GTR. Make sure you go check him out on Instagram. He's another Nissan bro. Hey, Nismo Ninja, you know.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
That's my bro, Nismo Ninja GTR. Make sure you check him out on Instagram. He helped out with this installation. He's got a bunch of dope stuff, so I'm not gonna say what it is, but make sure you go check it out. If you're into RB26s and 2JZs, you know, go check that out. The installation on this diffuser wasn't really too difficult at all. I would say maybe the whole installation time probably took maybe about an hour. Of course, it took longer due to recording and editing and things like that. If you have just some basic tools, so a drill and some drill bits, this installation will be pretty easy for you. To me, the car looks a lot better with it now. It looks more aggressive, which is the look that I'm trying to go for the Z. During the installation, I didn't really run into any hiccups whatsoever. I will give a little word of advice. If you have an aftermarket exhaust and you want a rear diffuser, I would suggest to do those at the same time, since that way you already have the exhaust down and it'll make it easier for the installation. In conclusion, I'm going to go ahead in this video here with some B-roll footage of the diffuser, just that way you guys can see what it looks like. Thanks a lot guys, I'll see you on the next one.